Hello people, in today's tutorial we are going to learn how we can create a circular progress chart like this in Excel. Here I am having the revenue data of a place. I'll just copy this data and paste it in another sheet. The place name and the revenue we are having. Let me also just change the revenue. Now I'm just keeping it as 56%. The first thing we'll do is equal to 1 minus 56%, which is 1 minus the cell. We have got our value. Now I'll just select this, then go to insert. Here I'll click on this donut chart. If you wish, you can change the template. Then I'll just tick this checkbox off, the legend and the chart title. Then after, I'll just go to this format tab and reduce this size. If you want, you can keep it as 5 cross 5, 2 cross 2, 3 cross 3. That depends on you. Let me just shift this chart here. Now I'll just go to a cell and I'll type 1. I have to type 1 20 times. For that I'm just using this. I can just copy it till cell T. And then the only thing I need to do is equal to text join. Instead of typing 1 for 20 times, I'm just using this method. Then the delimiter will be comma. So in quotes, comma. Then ignore empty, it will be true. And then I'll just select all of these cells. Control Shift, side arrow, close the bracket and enter. I'll just tick this formula bar. From the formula bar, I can do one thing, which is I'll just copy this and paste it as values. Then again I'll copy this. And now let's get back to our chart. If you want to type 1 for 20 times, then you can even do that. Right click, select data, add. In series name, I'm just naming it as divisions. And here in series value, you have to type 1 for 20 times. If you don't want to type, then you can just copy and paste it like I did. Then we'll click here, change chart type, or you can right click and click on this change chart type. Then in combo, we'll select for series 1, it will be donut chart, and for divisions, it will be donut chart. Then the series 1 will keep it on the secondary axis. So tick this checkbox and OK. You'll get it like this. Then from the format chart area, I'll just select it as series, divisions, and then in the field, I'll make it as solid field. Here I'll just change the color and make it yellow. And then here in the border, I'll make it a solid line. And the border I'm keeping it as blue. Then we can even increase the width. Like I'm keeping it as 1 point. Then I'll go to the series 1. And here, I'll firstly select this blue color. Make it as no field. Then I'll select this orange color. And this I'll make it as solid field. Then the color I'll change it and I'll keep it as white. And then we'll make the transparency as 50%. Then after in the border, now again I'll just select this dark yellow color. Here in border I'll keep it as solid line and make it 1.75 or 2. 2 is looking okay. So I'll just keep the width as 2 point and color as blue. Now I just don't need this. I'll just delete it. As you can see, our chart is almost ready, but there are few things that we need to do. Firstly, just tick on this chart elements, tick the checkbox of data labels. Now as I don't want all the data labels, I'll just select this yellow color, which is my dark yellow color, right click, add data label and add data label. Now here I have got the data label. I'll just change the font size, font type and the color, giving it a color which is visible. Like I have kept yellow color and light yellow color. Same way you can keep any color. And here I'll just reposition it in the center. Again I'll need to change the color because it's not visible. Now I think white color will be visible. And even for this line, I'll just select this line, right click, outline. I'll increase the weight and even change the color. Use a color which is visible. White and all of these colors are not that visible. Let me just try for red. Now only a few changes I want to make, which is I'll just select this. Then here I'll make it a solid field. If you wish, you can keep it white background, but white background is not looking good. So I'll just keep it as blue background. We'll also keep a border color. So in border, we'll use solid line. I'll keep it blue color. And here in the border, let me just keep it as a yellow color. And also I'll just increase the border width. This looks pretty much good. Now only thing I'll do is I'll go to view and untick this formula bar, green lines and headings, and we can even create a PDF of this simply by going to file and then we'll click it on save as and save it as a PDF. So this is how you can create a circular progress chart in Excel. Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.